welcome back to Connect Info Systems YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about deferred revenue. So basically deferred revenue we can repronounce it, or it is also known as unearned revenue. These are payments made in advance by customers for specific products yet to deliver or services yet to render. Such payments are basically a liability for the company that receives them, since it still owes its customers these products or service. The company cannot report them on the current P&L account, P&L statement or income statement. So since the payments will be effectively earned in the future, these future revenues must be deferred on the company's balance sheet until the moment in time they can be recognized. So let us go to accounting module, configuration and deferred revenue models. You can see here two revenue models are already created. Here you can see revenue, the model we created, basically deferred revenue name, deferred revenue account and all. Here I am creating new model. Deferred revenue, you can add a name of your model you want to create. Here I am using Amazon Prime name. We can put here number of recognitions. You can use month or years you want to be recognize this specific model. Number, type of computation, company name. And here you need to mention deferred revenue account and revenue account. You need, while setting up deferred revenue account, we need to make sure the type of deferred revenue should be current liabilities only. We need to define code here. Under the automation tab, we can define deferred revenue type. Here I am mentioning create and edit. We can also define specific model here if we want to. And we can define here revenue account. It should be type income only. Then we are going to deferred revenue account. Under the accounting and accounting section, we have deferred revenue. We can create it manually. We need to mention the name of deferred revenue. You can see under the revenue recognition values, we can put original value of our revenue type. We can define specific deferred revenue model that we have created previously. We can use one of them. You can see when we use a pre-configured model, the accounting, all the information will be filled up automatically. We can define computation model here. Here I am choosing no prorata. We can also define not depreciable value also. Then we click on compute revenue. Then we can see revenue board will be visible. In that specific, all the entries, journal entries will be popped up here. In this case, system will auto execute or auto post that journal entry specifically when that in specific month. Here let's see how we record deferred revenue while creating invoice. Basically when we sell any service, we need to create it. So here I am choosing a Deco Addict as a customer. We can add any specific service product. Here I am using a subscription that I want to that I already sold, and currently I am creating one-off invoice. Here we need to make sure that we need to define that deferred revenue account only. In the account field, we can define price of the specific service that we render or going to render. Then just confirm it. We can see a specific deferred revenue will be created with that original value that we mentioned in invoice. We can also see related cells with that specific invoice details.